Hello students, how are you? Today I will explain further from exercise 10, question number 6 from the R.S. Agrawal, and earlier the question from 1 to 5. Yesterday I have uploaded. So that questions how you will solve, I will explain very easy way. Only you have need to pay concentration. So first of all, you will make the right angle triangle. Question is that if sin theta is equal to a square minus b square upon a square plus b square, e square, find the values of all t ratios of the theta. Okay. So first of all, make the right angle triangle that way. That is the theta. That is the a, what a, b, and that c. Okay. You know that sin theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So perpendicular is that AB. So you write a square minus b square. Clear? Now hypotenuse has given a square plus b square. A square plus b square. Clear, students? Now you will find the base that you have to find. So with the help of the Pythagoras, you will find BC square is equal to hypo square minus perpendicular square, means AC square minus AB square. Put the value. So AC value has given a square plus b square minus again given AB square. So AB square value given a square minus b square का whole square. Clear, students? So now BC is equal to that whole square. When you will do, then you will get a to power 4 plus b to power 4 plus 2a square b square. A square plus b square, that's whole square. Okay. Minus, put in bracket, a square का whole square means a to power 4 plus b to power 4 minus 2a square b square. Clear? Now you will remove the bracket. So then you will get a to power 4 plus b to power 4 plus 2a square b square. Now it will be minus a to power 4 minus b to power 4 minus into minus plus 2a square b square. Clear, students? Any doubt? Then a to power 4, that is the plus, and minus a to power 4, that is the negative. Both are reduced. It also reduced, and finally we will get plus 2a square b square, and here also plus 2a square b square, and then it will be 4a square b square. Therefore, BC is equal to under root 4a square b square. Clear? So now it will be 2ab. Yes, students? Now value of BC will be 2ab. Clear? Now you will find the other t ratios will be. So sin already has given. Now you will find cos theta is equal to base upon hypo. Base that has given BC. So BC upon AC, hypotenuse has given AC. That's value 2ab upon a square plus b square. Dear students, that is the value of cos theta. Now other it will be cos after tan theta. Tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base AB upon BC. In place of AB upon BC, it will be a square minus b square upon 2ab. Here friends, now next cot theta. Cot theta is equal to base upon perpendicular, just opposite of tan. Then it will be 2ab, base has given 2ab upon a square minus b square. Clear students? So in the other t ratio cos theta after tan theta and that cot theta, next it will be sec theta. Sec theta is equal to, it is the just opposite of cos. Okay, in cos you have put the value base upon hypotenuse, so just opposite it will be hypotenuse upon base. So then hypotenuse has given a square plus b square upon 2ab. Clear? And last you will get cosec theta. Cosec theta is equal to, it is the opposite of sin theta. In sin theta, that has given perpendicular upon hypotenuse, so just its opposite it will be hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Hypotenuse a square plus b square upon a square minus b square. Clear friends? So these are all the answers. It also answer. So these are all the answer. Clear? In this way, you can solve each sums. There will be no any difficulty. So I am explaining. Next question I am going to explain. There has given question number 7. If sin theta is equal to c upon under root c square plus d square, where d is greater than 0, find cos theta and tan theta. Find cos theta and tan theta. These two values you have to find it. First of all, same way you have to do. Now in that condition, sin theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse given, and you have to find the cos theta and tan theta. In these both you have to need base also. So to find the base, same way you will make the right angle triangle, that is the A, B, C. Clear? Here the theta. So from the sin theta is equal to C. Perpendicular is C. Hypotenuse is given C square plus D square in under root. Clear? Now that base you have to find. Same with the help of Pythagoras. You will find BC square is equal to AC square minus AB square. Put the value. So then under root C square plus D square का होल स्क्वायर माइनस C का होल स्क्वायर. Dear students, hypo square minus perpendicular square is equal to base square. So in this way, its whole square will be, root will disappear, and then C square plus D square minus C square plus C square minus C square will reduce. Finally, you will get D square. So BC is equal to under root D square is equal to D only. In this way, you will find the value of D. Clear? Here the given D is greater than 0 means the value of D will be all positive. Clear? In this way, now you have to find the value of cos theta. So cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse. Means you will write BC upon AC. BC value given D and AC value is given under root C square plus D square. C square plus D square. C square plus D square. Dear students, that will be one answer. Now next, also asking tan theta. Tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base, means AB upon BC. AB value has given C upon D. It also the answer. Dear students, any difficulty? It's important question that will come in board examinations also. Clear? Now further, question number 8. In question number 8 given, if under root 3 tan theta is equal to 1, then evaluate cos square, then evaluate cos square theta minus sin square theta. That's value you have to find. Clear? Clear students? So first of all, here the given under root 3 tan theta is equal to 1 upon 1, and therefore tan theta is equal to 1 upon under root 3. That here has given into, and that you will transpose there, then it will do the work of division because there has given the multiply. So when you will change the side, then it will do the work of division. So tan theta is equal to 1 upon under root 3. Now with the help of right angle triangle, which also A, B and C, so tan theta perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular has given 1 and base has given under root 3. So that you have to find the hypotenuse. So now with the help of Pythagoras, you will find AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AB square plus BC square. AB value has given 1. BC value has given under root 3. Now 1 square will be 1 plus under root 3 की value 3. In this way you will get 4. Therefore AC is equal to under root 4 is equal to 2. Clear students? So here you will write value of this hypotenuse will be 2. Clear? Now evaluate cos square theta minus sin square theta. So now here you put the cos square theta minus sin square theta is equal to, put the value cos theta. So cos theta value, you know that base upon hypotenuse. In cos, base has given under root 3 upon hypo has given 2. Then that's whole square minus sin square theta. So sin theta value perpendicular upon hypotenuse means 1 upon 2. That's whole square. So then under root 3 का whole square 3 and 2 का whole square 4 minus 1 का whole square 1 and 2 का square, that will be 4. In this way when you subtract, then you will get 2 upon 4 is equal to, reduce 2 1 ja 2 2 ja, finally you will get 1 upon 2. That will be the answer. Clear students? In this way 9 also same, 9 also same, and 10 has given something different. So I am explaining the question number 10 because question number 9 is same way you will do. Okay? Question number 10 has given if sin theta is equal to A upon B, then prove that sec theta plus tan theta is equal to under root b plus a upon b minus a. That you have to prove. Clear here? Here I am writing that given b plus a upon b minus a. That you have to prove. Dear students, so first of all, same way, here also given the sin theta is equal to a upon b. So with the help of the triangle, right angle triangle, you will make the third part, because here has given only two sides. Here a upon b, sin theta is equal to a upon b. So then a means perpendicular and b means hypotenuse. So BC value and base value you have to find. So with the help of Pythagoras you will find BC square is equal to AC square minus AB square. AC square minus AB square. Put the value in this. So AC value has given B. So B square, B का whole square minus AB value has given a whole square. Clear? In this way you will get B square minus A square. Therefore BC is equal to under root B square minus A square. So value of BC will be under root B square minus A square. Yes students, now that sec theta plus tan theta you will write here to prove that. So you will write here left hand side LHS, that is the LHS and that is RHS. Okay, so in the left hand side given sec theta plus tan theta. So value of sec theta from the triangle you will get. So sec theta is just opposite of cos theta. Understood? In cos theta you know base upon hypo, so then in sec theta it will be hypo upon base. Clear? So here you write b upon under root b square minus a square plus now tan theta. Tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base, means AB upon BC. So AB value given A, so A upon BC has given under root B square minus A square. Clear students? Any doubt? So you will take the LCM under root B square minus A square and under root B square minus A square. Its LCM will be this B square minus A square. So you when you will divide by this in this, जब अंडर रूट बी स्क्वायर माइनस ए स्क्वायर का डिवाइड करेंगे इसमें तो एक बच जाएगा, उस वन का इंटू हो जाएगा बी में, तो देन इट विल बी 1b प्लस फिर इसका डिवाइड करेंगे हम इसमें कि पूरी तरह से एक बार जाएगा, उस एक का इंटू करेंगे 1 में, देन इट विल बी 1a. तो फाइनली यू विल गेट, अब 1 लिखेंगे नहीं, अंडरस्टूड? 1 इज हिडन इन दिस. फाइनली यू विल गेट b plus a upon under root b square minus a square. Clear students? So further what you will do? Now to remove the under root, just we will write a square minus b square. So it's two part. Here is no space. So further I am going to solve upward. इसलिए हम ऊपर सॉल्व करते हैं. b plus a, and here in under root given b square minus a square. So here we will use the identity a square minus b square. According to that identity, it will be b plus a upon under root b plus a into b minus a. Here students, according to identity. Now it will be also, अब पूरे अंडर रूट में ले लेंगे. अब देखो ध्यान से, इसको अगर हम होल स्क्वायर कर दें तो ये रूट के अंदर ले लेंगे. क्लियर? जैसे b प्लस ए का होल स्क्वायर कर देंगे तो ये रूट के अंदर हो गया, और फिर ये भी रूट के अंदर हो गया, b माइनस ए और b प्लस ए एंड b माइनस ए. क्लियर? तो नाउ यू विल राइट इट टू टाइम्स. ये टू टाइम्स लिखेंगे, तो टू टाइम्स में अंडर रूट इसको लिखेंगे, दो बार लिख देंगे. b प्लस ए इंटू बी प्लस ए अपॉन b प्लस ए into p minus a. In this way that will reduce. Finally you will get under root b plus a upon b minus a. Yes students, in this way finally you will get the right hand side. Clear? Okay student, the next question will be 10, that if sin theta is equal to a upon b, then prove that sec theta plus tan theta is equal to under root b plus a upon b minus a. Okay, here that is the LHS left hand side and that has given the right hand side. It is the right hand side, RHS. So you will take LHS and finally you will get RHS. That's you have to do. यही करना है आपको. तो first of all you will make the triangle, that is the right angle triangle. Clear? ABC. Here the theta degree. Here the given A. So sin theta is equal to A upon B. So A means perpendicular, B means hypotenuse. So that BC you have to find with the help of Pythagoras theorem. BC square is equal to AC square minus AB square. Clear? So AC has given B square minus perpendicular AB का A whole square, and then it will be A square minus B square. B square minus A square. Clear? That is the value of BC का whole square. Now therefore BC is equal to under root B square minus A square. Clear, student? So the value of BC will be under root B square minus A square. Now you have to find sec theta plus tan theta is equal to under root B plus A upon B minus A. So first of all we will write the LHS left hand side is equal to just you write sec theta plus tan theta is equal to, now you will put the value from this triangle. So sec theta is equal to base upon, no, sec theta is the opposite of cos, hypo upon base. So hypo has given B upon under root B square minus A square. A plus tan theta is equal to AB upon BC, perpendicular upon base. So you write A upon under root B square minus A square. Clear, students? Now you will take the LCM of both, then it will be under root B square minus A square. When you will divide by this, under root B square minus A square, you will divide in this, then it will go one time, 1 into B, there will be 1B, plus that's also you will divide in this, that will go one time, 1 into A, 1A. Clear, students? And then it will be B plus A upon under root B square minus A square. Clear? Now further, the further step there, you will write is equal to, here the given B plus A upon under root B square minus A square. So here we will use the identity here, x square minus y square is equal to x plus y in one bracket and other bracket x minus y. That identity you will use here, and then it will be B plus A upon in under root, it will be B plus A into B minus A. Clear, students? Now here has given the B plus A, so you have to put in under root, because we have to get under root B plus A upon B minus A, ये मुझे लाना है, और यहाँ पे अंडर रूट यहाँ पे लगा है, तो इसे भी हम ऐसा करें कि ये अंडर रूट में चला जाए, तो इसे अंडर रूट में लाएंगे तो इसका रूप बदल जाएगा, ये हो जाएगा b प्लस ए का होल स्क्वायर। क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? तब हम रूट लगा सकते हैं और ये रूट अब नीचे लग जाएगा अपान इसको भी हम लिख देंगे b प्लस ए इन वन ब्रैकेट अदर ब्रैकेट b माइनस ए। क्लियर? अब इसे दो बार लिख देंगे तो इसे 2 टाइम्स लिख देंगे b plus a, 2 power has given, so you write 2 times, so b plus a upon b plus a into b minus a, so that will be reduced, b plus a, finally you will get under root b plus a upon b minus a. In this way what you get? RHS you get. RHS that you get. Okay? Hence it's proved. Hence proved. Clear students? Any doubt? In this way the next question also you can do. If tan theta is equal to a upon b. Clear? Student, question number 11 you see, it also proved if tan theta is equal to a upon b, then prove a sin theta minus b cos theta upon a sin theta minus b cos theta is equal to a square minus b square upon a square plus b square. Clear? That you have to find. Here also students same way. First of all here they given only 2 a upon b, and third you have to find by the help of right angle triangle. In each case right angle triangle you have to make a, b and c. So here tan theta is equal to a upon b, so the perpendicular will be a and base will be b. So that hypotenuse we have to find. So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AB value has given a square, a का whole square plus BC की value b का whole square. Finally you will get a square plus b square. Therefore AC is equal to under root, that will be a square plus b square. So its value will be under root a square plus b square. Clear students? Now you will write the right hand side. It is the RHS and that is the LHS. Sorry. It is LHS and that is RHS. So here you write the LHS. Left hand side is equal to A sin theta minus B cos theta upon A sin theta plus B cos theta. Clear, students? Now you put the value in this. So A into sin theta. Sin theta means perpendicular upon hypotenuse, means A upon under root A square plus B square. Clear? That's part. Now minus B into cos theta. Cos theta value given base upon hypotenuse and B upon under root A square plus B square. Clear? That is the value of the A here sin theta value into A upon under root A square plus B square. Then minus again here, again you write the B into cos theta. Cos theta value B upon under root A square plus B square. Now up here given upon, so put also upon. Again same way you will write downside. So same value you will write downside, then it will be also A into A upon under root A square plus B square. Here in place of minus you will write the plus, and then it also be B into B upon under root A square plus B square. Clear, students? Now after that's further here A into A, that will be A square upon under root A square plus B square. Minus B into B, B square upon under root A square plus B square upon, put the square to here. Same here also, A into A square upon under root A square plus B square plus here also B into B square upon under root A square plus B square. Clear, students? Now we will take the LCM. That is the main fraction is this. Now LCM of this and this will be there under root A square plus B square. ध्यान दो, इसका और इसका एलसीएम ये है. क्लियर? इसका इसमें डिवाइड करेंगे वन टाइम, वन का इंटू करेंगे तो इट विल बी ए स्क्वायर. अगेन माइनस है, इसका इसमें डिवाइड करेंगे वन टाइम, वन का इसमें इंटू करेंगे वन बी स्क्वायर. सेम डाउन साइड, एलसीएम ऑफ दिस एंड दिस विल बी अंडर रूट ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? When you will divide in this, then that will go one time. इसका भाग जब इसमें देंगे तो एक बार जाएगा, उस एक का इंटू हम करेंगे इसमें तो you will get a square. Clear? And now you will divide by this in this. तो ये भी वन बार जाएगा, बीच में यहाँ प्लस है तो हम भी यहाँ प्लस लगा देंगे और इसमें इंटू करेंगे b square. Clear students? Are you seeing? तो then that's and that will be reduced. ये दोनों कैंसिल हो जाएगा and finally you will get, what you will get, a square minus b square upon a square plus b square, that is equal to RHS. ये राइट हैंड साइड के बराबर आ गया. Your right hand side is this. Clear? A square minus b square, here also a square minus b square upon a square plus b square, here also a square plus b square. In this way it is proved. Clear, students? In this way, if you can solve any sum, then surely you will do without any hesitation, without any confusion. But you have to keep patience that you will solve surely. Clear? Further question also you can do. Next question number 12. Question number 12 given. If sin theta is equal to 12 upon 13, then evaluate 2 sin theta minus 3 cos theta upon 4 sin theta minus 9 cos theta. Yes, students, that value you have to find, means evaluate. Clear? This also you can do. First of all you write A, B, C. Sin theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, means 12 upon 13. That BC means base you have to find. So BC square is equal to AC square minus AB square. Earlier you have studied it. Put the value. So then BC has given, AC has given 13 unit square minus 12 unit square is equal to 169 minus 144 is equal to 25. Therefore BC is equal to under root 25 is equal to 5. Clear? So here you will write 5. Now you have to evaluate this 2 sin theta. So then you write here. Here you write 2 sin theta minus 3 cos theta upon 4 sin theta minus 9 cos theta. Now you put the value 2 into sin theta. Sin theta value perpendicular upon hypotenuse. means 12 upon 13. 12 upon 13 minus 3 into cos theta, 5 upon 13 upon same 4 into sin theta, 12 upon 13 minus 9 into 5 upon 13. Clear, students? So further when you explain, then here 2 12 ja 24 upon 13 minus 3 5 ja 15 upon 13 upon here 12 4 ja 48 upon 13 minus 9 5 ja 45 upon 13. In this way you will take the LCM. 13 yes, directly you can subtract. So 24, because the denominator 13 same, so directly you can subtract it and then you will get. अगर डिनोमिनेटर सेम है तो डायरेक्ट आप घटा सकते हो. 24 में से 15 गया and then that will be 9 upon 13. 9 upon 13. फिर यहाँ पे 48 में से 45 गया, क्योंकि यहाँ पे डिनोमिनेटर सेम है तो डायरेक्ट घटा सकते हैं. 48 में से 45 गया 3 upon 13. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अब रेसिप्रोकल करके हम सीधे या डायरेक्ट भी काट सकते हैं. 13 कैंसिल, फाइनली विल गेट 9 upon 3 is equal to 3. That will be the answer. Clear, students? Clear? Okay, students. Now tomorrow I will explain the next further all questions. Okay.